Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sam, and today we will learn about gallbladder cancer on ultrasound. Gallbladder carcinoma is cancer of the gallbladder. It has several specific features on ultrasound. We will compare it with a normal gallbladder image for a better understanding. This is an image showing a normal gallbladder in the longitudinal plane. The gallbladder length is variable but is usually between 7 and 10 centimeters. The transverse diameter can be between 3 and 4 centimeters approximately. The normal wall thickness is less than 3 millimeters. Wall thickness is an important measurement. The normal lumen of the gallbladder is anechoic. It is completely black because it is filled with bile. These are the normal features of the gallbladder. On ultrasound, one of the key features suggestive of gallbladder cancer is the presence of a heterogeneous mass that fills or completely replaces the gallbladder lumen. Instead of the normal anechoic appearance of bile, you see a solid lesion with irregular margins and variable echogenicity, meaning it may appear hypoechoic or show a mixed pattern due to necrosis, fibrosis, or tumor complexity. As the disease progresses, this mass can become so extensive that it obscures the normal gallbladder anatomy, making it difficult or impossible to identify the typical thin wall and clear lumen, which is a strong indicator of advanced pathology. Here is another case showing a mass within the gallbladder lumen. This mass has an irregular shape and a mixed echogenicity. This suggests that it is gallbladder carcinoma. Gallbladder wall thickness greater than 3 millimeters is considered abnormal, particularly when the thickening appears asymmetric or irregular, rather than smooth and uniform. In normal conditions, the wall shows a distinct layered appearance. But in concerning cases, such as malignancy like gallbladder cancer, this layered pattern is often lost due to infiltration. Additionally, focal wall thickening raises more suspicion than diffuse thickening, as diffuse changes are more commonly associated with benign conditions like cholecystitis, whereas focal irregularity may indicate a localized pathological process. A gallbladder lesion that appears as a mass projecting into the lumen is an important finding to evaluate carefully. When this polypoid lesion measures more than 1 centimeter, it raises concern for possible malignancy, as this size is a key risk threshold. Unlike gallstones, which typically move with changes in patient position and produce posterior acoustic shadowing, this type of mass remains fixed in place, non-mobile, and does not cast a shadow, helping differentiate it from benign causes like stones. In this case, we can see an irregular-shaped heterogeneous mass in the gallbladder, along with asymmetric wall thickening. One important feature to look for is internal vascularity within a gallbladder lesion. When Doppler imaging shows increased blood flow inside a mass, it strongly suggests that the lesion is solid and likely neoplastic in nature, such as in gallbladder cancer. In contrast, sludge, which is simply thickened bile, does not have its own blood supply and therefore shows no internal vascularity on Doppler. This distinction is crucial because both can appear as echogenic material within the gallbladder. But the presence of vascularity helps confidently differentiate a true mass from benign sludge. Here is another case showing internal vascularity in the mass on color Doppler. This is an indication that it is gallbladder carcinoma rather than a sludge ball. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more imaging videos.